skin, yeah. You are a bad, bad man. Care about no one else but you under your skin, yeah, yeah. It's just a sad, sad.
What is going on, family? Welcome to the vlog. I'm out here in Shoreditch and it's about 10:45. I'm running late, but I'm on my way to a venue called Block Gym today. So loud here. On my way to Block Gym, where I've been invited by a cool company called Superdry. You guys probably know them. I say it like you may not know them, but they are pretty massive. But Superdry contacted me randomly on Instagram and asked me if I'd like to train with Chris Eubank Jr. So if you don't know who he is,
Eubank Jr. did the same shot in.
Actually slows down, that suiting Quinlan, but now you see he's going through the gears.
Quick fisted, plenty of leverage behind these shots as well. Double right uppercut to the middle and around the corner. Terrific ripping right uppercut. Three.
He's never going to win this fight. Eubank's too fast, too sharp, his reach is too long. When he's in,
Hooks crashing around the corner, and holes in that guard. Yoderin being forced backwards, and a thunderous left hook sends into the canvas, and it's being waved off immediately.
go check him out. But Chris Eubank Jr. is the son of legendary Chris Eubank, now senior. Picked up a few titles and he's got this training session today. Do you know what, it's so loud. How can I record an intro like this? It's just mad. I'm just gonna basically just keep the camera rolling today and vlogs. Where am I? I'm really excited, peeps. Looking forward to just kind of take you along for the ride. So as always, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Right, so I made it to Block Gym, peeps. This is what the place looks like. Quite a bougie little place here. Ella, Ella.
Hello.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
What are we doing today? Ella's the one that invited me, by the way.
A boxing class with
Getting in the way, everyone.
Junior with Superdry. So no more filming for me.
No more filming, that's it, you done.
Ready, set, go. On the other side.
How you doing? Rush. Nice to meet you, mate. What's the deal for the training today?
You know what? I don't even know.
Right, so at Block Gym, ready to train with Chris Eubank Jr. Super excited. A lot of people here as well, by the way. So this is the spot, guys. Hi, peeps. How you doing? You alright? So that is the current setup. Man, they got the ropes here. A lot of people, man. A lot of people. Camera crew. Main guy, Chris Eubank Jr. Tons and tons of people, and it feels like it's just like Instagram influencer heaven. Are you YouTube friendly?
What's YouTube friendly?
I've already turned on the camera now.
But I'm not good at YouTube.
Yeah. It's still pretty. Look how big this guy's guns are, man. You're about the size of the boxing bag, bro. Look at this. You gotta let the people know that you're skipping God.
if you want a skipping rope,
Yeah.
you go to this guy.
No.
Right? Listen.
This is the man, guys. Jack's a beast here, man. Just met him today. Told me he's got one of the RA ropes. What move are you looking to learn still? You got everything
Do you know
down?
what? I can't do the fucking
360, yeah? We'll try and teach you that today, man. We'll try and teach you that today. Time to skip.
About being grounded, it's all about being low to the ground, planting your feet, and it's about using your whole body, not just your arms. You want to use your hips, your legs, everything, and that transferring the weight over to your punch. So, like that.
Wow.
Bro, what are you doing, bro? You're resting on the... Man's using the punching bag as a bed.
Start with 20 of these, 20 of these, 20 crisscross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sweat!
No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not even trying that. Sorry. Not for me, mate. Oh, check this out, people. Seen an RA rope floating around here on the shelf. That's not mine. Someone here is flying boss already. Just got the main man, Chris. Chris, you show us some skills today, yeah?
I'm gonna try.
Just quickly for the people watching, why do boxers always skip? Why is skipping synonymous with boxing, like goes hand in hand?
I guess it's a form of cardio.
Yep.
And it gets you up on your toes.
Keeps you light on your feet, right?
Yeah, you know, it teaches you to be up on your toes, which is what you want to be when you're looking to evade punches. When you're looking to move around an opponent.
Yep.
Evade punches. You gotta be quick. You can't be flat-footed. If you're flat-footed, you're gonna get caught.
Yeah.
So this kind of forces you to be constantly on your toes. Gets you used to that stance.
Check this out, guys. Boxer step. That's the way to do it. Nice. That is a technique, guys. Look at this. Lie on your feet, double unders. Nice. Yes. What a guy. Peace of love. Well done, man. No problem, man. We'll come down, bro. Alright, Jack, this is the main man, trainer of Eubank Jr. We're coming down to Brighton, yeah?
Yeah, come down Brighton.
There's a lot of people down in Brighton.
To get some good content.
That's it, man. If anyone's watching from Brighton, we're coming down to see this guy. What's the gym called?
Studio JRL.
Studio JRL, yeah? Nice, I'm down there. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Need to get changed. I'm tired. Oh, they got food.
Another hour and a half. But again,
Nice. That's what I need. Ready to roll. I'm dead, guys. Look how nice this changing room facility is. Even got hair gel. That, man. Never been a member of anywhere that's got hair gel for free. My body's just in bits, man. I'm literally trying to crawl to the station. I can see it there in the distance, but I literally can't walk right now. Just waiting for the summer, man. Sometimes I wonder what this channel would look like if I was in LA by the beach. Would you guys give me more views, maybe? Shoreditch is a quirky sort of area in London. Some people may call it a bit grimy, but it's got character, I give it that. Like, what's going on with that building?